In a post-COVID world, students now more than ever are familiar with the avenues of online communication. This means things like message boards, VoIPs, and much more are all things that students are using on a daily basis. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most popular of these programs, one you may be familiar with, Discord. Before we jump into it, make sure to like, follow, and comment if you enjoyed this content. And make sure to check out our other TenneyTube video here where we covered the top 5 myths in high school. You may have heard your child or students talk about Discord, but what exactly is it? Discord is a voice-over internet protocol network, known as VoIP, that allows users to create groups and servers to connect with each other. This program is especially popular among college students, but it has been steadily trickling down to high schoolers or even middle school students. For parents familiar with business application, the features of Discord are similar to the features of applications you may use at work like Slack, Skype, or Teams. While similar, Discord is more accessible to students than these applications. There is even a Discord app available for smartphones, which begs the question, is Discord causing disruption in the classroom? Discord does have a number of benefits when it comes to what it can do for students and teachers alike. On Discord, teachers are able to host their own groups where they can pin important dates, schedule announcements, and moderate class discussion to enrich the classroom experience in a unique way. When used correctly, Discord can enrich and improve learning for students. But there are some negative consequences as well. Educational groups are not the only groups on Discord. Discord makes it easy for users to switch between servers and groups. In fact, students can switch from a class group discussion to other social or non-academic Discord groups at any time. Students can become distracted by communications and activities in other online Discord groups with little or no indication to the teacher. This inability to control when students access on Discord is reason enough for many teachers to outright ban Discord in the classroom. So this begs the question, is Discord too disruptive for the classroom? Well, that depends on the classroom and the level of student maturity. More mature students will be able to regulate their own Discord use to focus on school and educational groups when needed. In fact, Discord communication groups and online messaging boards may enhance the learning if moderated correctly. In classes where students are more reserved and hesitant to raise their hands for question, the chat features on Discord could actually increase classroom participation and discussion. On the other hand, with less mature students, more prone to distraction and disruption, students may not be ready for the increased temptation caused by the access Discord provides to a multitude of social and non-educational groups. In these cases, it might be best to ban Discord from your classroom. We hope that you have found this video on Discord helpful in deciding whether it's a good teaching option for you in your classroom or not. If you have your own experience with Discord in school, we'd love to hear about it. So make sure to comment below and tell us about your experiences and let's chat about it. As always, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be reminded whenever a new video is released. Be sure to check out the links in the description if you're curious about the power of one and what we do for our students. See you on the next one.